Yeah. Hello guys, today we are going to cook this fresh fish. I'm just adding the turmeric powder with salt and some chili flakes and massage it for a while, and we are going to marinate for an hour to 3 hours, 1 to 2 hours I mean. And this is our sticky rice wrapping with banana leaf. It's already cook it. It's time to eat. Yeah, ready to eat I mean. Okay, now let's fry the fish. Ooh, I'm afraid of hot oil, that's why I just throw it inside. Anyway, I hope it's going to be a good one. Yes, it's ready. Smells good, smells good. Can't wait to eat. Here, the last one, the last goodie. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, I'm Flo Baite, and today let's go green. Okay, as today is our Independent Days, we are going to be a green head to toe. Okay, today we are going to have, here we have eggplant, some fly, then this is bitter gourd, a small one, okra, lady's finger, zihi changkong chekha bang akitem ketapo. I'm just gonna subtitle and my do cucumber chule. Oh, cucumber. And then what is this? Tomato, cabbage. Here we got sticky rice wrapped with banana leaves and a fish. And here we got some chili sauce di mai tu lime to aduda green chili ki mix vek kecil pot kegil and water and salt. Before eating, let's pray. Amen. Yeah, bon appetit. Let's dig in. Let's start with this. You done it. I took a look. Ting. Today no rice, but sticky rice. We got sticky rice because of that. I don't cook rice. This is it. Meal season na. Kahat. This is so good. Fish. And one thing, when I was young,
They told me that if you eat fish head, you will be pro in mathematics. So I keep on eating the head of the fish, but ending up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Pro tholo fish. Tuyệt vời. I'm not gonna eat the head. Anh yên tâm nha. The sauce is so good. Cabbage. This is the Sangkwang test. Let's hit it. I think tam taloy về. If not, apong pepi Thai. Ooh, good job. Let's hit it. Hit. I'll try. Abang yang taloy thế. Ada. Ada. These days I only eat greens because I'm on a diet with greens. Chưa số cái trái bộ. Minal niya lagi kam tamat minal tampi kanina. Agop daw. Ari bang bangga. Tui tax. Dia sauce tui dalu. Cũng phải xìm chim thôi. Khi mà aling ho hi anok sa kanit si Shem. Aling, let's say bones. Sa pao bones sila oy ve. Ho ho. Manja agak. Dito ba? Iti dang mita to green sauce tiling kaya nila winter. Isang hoy loy to. Napang tatali gastric problem kinaypay ma. We should go greens, okay? For my dinner, I only eat greens. Salad so kanila. Ito to. Dahil sa bay, zani mo pidi may kaantang pipiwan niya ha. Tao bebe. Tao ma. That's why night time I don't eat rice. I only eat greens. Napang ti ading to holo hili ay kumtam tau ta ha. Kumtam ti ading ha greens hanya dia an hanya raw. Dito. Someone is coming, that's why I'm staring at her or sea. Dito tang kasana kalo. Tingmo da. Dito dan yo. Lahat no muli ka simdan. Please comment down below, okay? How I made. Okay guys, let's end it here. It was a good lunch. Thì mấy tiếng mà lunch đã khát về lại tay tôi hết. It was a good lunch, and yeah, if you like it, please give a thumbs up. If you don't like it, down, no problem, but keep supporting. Okay, that's it. Here we got 4. This is going to be my dinner. Can't stop eating. Bye anyway. Thanks for watching guys. I'm sweating like anything.